Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you must know, to change a number to a particular category, you can simply go to the drop down list and you can choose a number, a currency. Suppose if I click on currency, you type 20 and so it will give 20 rupees because by default rupees symbol is selected. But what if you need a unit instead of a currency like 20 kgs or 20 liters? So some people might say we can simply type 20 kg. You can do that, but you won't be able to do any calculation on this cell because uh, if I write 10 in this cell and if I try to multiply it, so this multiplied by 10, it won't give any value because this is not a number anymore. So the best way to do is select the cells where you want the numbers along with the units and go to this number format button, go to custom and select 0, and here in this box give a space, inverted commas, write down kg, inverted commas, close, press OK. So whatever number you type in these cells, it will give you the result along with kgs, and you can also do any calculation with these numbers. So equals to this multiplied by 10 and it gives 200. I hope you like this video guys. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.